Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we're going to be working on do-it-yourself dog ear wipes. We're going to keep in the vein of green grooming for our little fur babies. And this is going to be a very simple recipe that you can do that'll save you lots of money and it'll save you a trip to the vet. We need to keep our dog's ears clean. And the best way to do this is using two simple ingredients. First, we're going to use rubbing alcohol. Now we know how rubbing alcohol is used in order to fight infections when we have little bruises, bumps, or cuts. This recipe is very simple because we're only using equal parts of these two ingredients. So we start off with rubbing alcohol. Next ingredient, vinegar. White distilled vinegar. For what I'm doing here, I'm using 1/4 cup of each ingredient. There we go. Put it in a little container, mix it up. Vinegar is a disinfectant, natural disinfectant, and it will be safe to use in your pup's ears. Now, I have a little container used for gum. Saving money, I'm going to take it and use it to hold my ear cleaner for our dog. What I like about this container, it snaps shut. It keeps everything inside nice and safe, saves from spills. Purchase these nice little cosmetic pads. Get a few, and all you do, put them inside. You let the cleaner absorb on the little cotton pieces. Let them steep, close it up, and you're good to go. Now, if you are crafty and if you want to dress up your little gum container or whatever small container you use, made this very simple. I had a rubber stamp, stamped a picture of a cute little dog, wrote exactly what's on it, used some decorative scissors to cut out the edges, a little double-sided tape. I could just dress my container, stick it on. A little reinforcement with some tape. There we go. Tape it on the back. Put it on the shelf where you keep all your other pet supplies, and you know exactly what's inside. Another helpful tip, if you have a container and if you're not sure if it's going to be able to hold your cleaner inside, or if you're afraid that it might evaporate, then you might want to use some plastic wrap. Put it on top, close it, and it'll give it a nice little seal. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. And just in case you are not familiar with what you do with these wipes, it's very simple. They soaked inside. Take it out. Let your dog be familiar with these, probably before you have them soaked in your solution. Put it around your finger. Use your finger and gently go inside the dog's ear, around the canal. Okay? A few of these and you'll be done. Okay, hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them down in the comments. And also, if you like what you saw, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.